In this fast-changing, crowded era, how do we bring technology back to ingenuity? Only artisan core, artisan core research and development, artisan core quality manufacturing, artisan core service. The research and development of raw materials is the only way for cosmetics to differentiate from the market and have their own real chips. Nowadays, consumers' pursuit of skincare quality is gradually escalating. When pure plants become a new trend, technological innovation and process fluids are also facing greater challenges. In this protracted core battle, artisan core stems from the persistence of daring to think, dare to do, and dare to make breakthroughs again and again. We have joined hands with international cutting-edge R&D forces to create a unique Opseve Technology R&D Center. Day and night, we study technical problems, create a breakthrough in unique biological fermentation technology, and start the road of whole plant skincare research and development that leads the industry. We also use process control and insurance packaging to replace traditional anti-corrosion solutions to create safer, healthier, and more secure skincare products. Production workshop 30,000 square meters. 100,000 level laboratory. Millions of heavy metal detection equipment. 5 invention patents, 30 utility model patents, 3 copyrights, and 10 international standards for products. Sets of advanced emulsification equipment, with a daily emulsification capacity of 150 tons. 20 sets of 3-dimensional film automatic packaging machines and POF film automatic packaging machines. 16 automatic 6-head mask filling machines, with a daily production capacity of 2 million pieces. In order to live up to the trust of every customer, we make every effort to set up the world's top quality management team to create an intelligent industrial chain. Not only builds a set of management system that is stricter than international standards and carefully crafts every product and every detail, at the same time, establishes a warehouse logistics management system, ERP, builds an electronic information management platform, and makes every effort to solve the worries of customers. Taking the lead in adopting a modern and full-visit open design, each of our production lines and processes are presented to the public sites without reservation so that our employees, customers, and partners can experience the high-standard production process, truly realize transparent and visualized intelligent production. We continue to deploy a global service network, link the market through big data, gain insight into customer needs, and make every effort to provide customers with a complete set of tailor-made one-stop services. In recent years, people have found that consumption has become more and more mature. They no longer believe in the information given by the public media, but will believe in their own judgments. Only at this time, they realize that product quality is king. In the past 20 years, we have made preparations for research and development, production and management, and devoted ourselves to the road of sustainable development of cosmetics research and development. I hope that we will create a company that makes every employee proud of and give the higher value of each of our lives.